Mmm, hot cocoa cookies. Delicious. If you guys like hot cocoa, you are going to love this hot cocoa cookie. The holidays are here and you're looking for those cookie recipes. This is by far the best holiday cookie that I have made. And that's not just coming from me, but it comes from everyone that I have served this cookie to or give it as a gift. They also make great gifts. If you are new here, I hope that you will like this recipe. And when you do, you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your support, and you're going to love this one. Now, let's get to making some hot cocoa cookies. To start these hot cocoa cookies, you will get your cookie sheet. I've lined mine in parchment paper and set your oven at 375 degrees. Grab a measuring cup and get 2¼ cups of all-purpose flour. To this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. We will also add 3 tablespoons of cocoa. We're using a natural cocoa. This is unsweetened. And for the cocoa, we're going to add 3 packets of the Swiss Miss. We're using the dark chocolate. We'll put this all together and we're going to whisk it around. You'll give this a good whisk just to mix all of these ingredients together. After you have mixed this all together real well, set this over to the side. I now need to cream my butter and sugar together. I have my mixing bowl here. This is going to take 3/4 cups of butter at room temperature, and that is 1.5 sticks. We're going to also need 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 3/4 cup of white sugar. Mix this together and then grab your mix. We got to do some creaming. Got a little helper here that's going to help me with mine. He might end up with butter on his face. We have that all creamed together. Now we're going to add our eggs. We have 2 eggs. These are also at room temperature, and we just need to mix these in, as well as we need a little bit of vanilla flavoring. The recipe will call for 1 tablespoon. I'm just going to eyeball it. If I get a little more, that's okay. It might be a little more, but vanilla never hurt anyone. So now we're going to mix this together. This is all mixed together. Now we're going to start adding those dry ingredients. Our dry ingredients, we're going to add it a little at a time. So I'm going to be doing 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. And I'm going to try not to dust the whole kitchen with this flour. And try not to get little dude all floured up either. This is mixed together. You don't want to overmix your cookie batter. This one or any of them, you just want to mix it until there's no more dry ingredients in there. We're going to get rid of this mixer because everything else is going to be folded in. We're going to fold in 1 cup of the semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 cup of the marshmallow bits. These are the ones you'll find these in your grocery store. It's going to be near the hot chocolate, not the mini mushrooms. I don't know where that came from. Not the mini marshmallows, but these are the bits. And we're going to fold these in. We have that all stirred in. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes so that our cookies don't spread when we put them in the oven to bake them. Our cookie dough is chilled, and we're going to be using a cookie scoop. You'll put these on here about 2 inches apart. These are going in the oven 9 to 11 minutes. The first batch is out, and this house smells divine. We're going to let these cool and work on that next batch. This made about 4.5 dozen. It's going to make 4 to 5, depending on how large you make your cookies. They will be perfect for gift giving, for taking to gatherings, or just to sit around and eat yourself. I know my filmer over there, or my partner, he ate about a half a dozen already. So we would have a lot more if it hadn't been for him in here picking. Oh, but these cookies, they smell so good. They are beautiful. And look at how moist they are on the inside. Mm, they are crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside. The chocolate chips and the marshmallows. This is a delight for cookie. If you like hot chocolate, you're going to love these hot cocoa cookies. I know you're going to want to try this one. If you like this recipe, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit notifications so that you get all of my recipes as they post. And until next time, you guys take care and God bless.